Picture this. In about 22 billion years, every single atom that makes up your body will be violently torn apart in the final seconds of existence. And the terrifying thing is, we have no way to stop it. What if I told you there's a force in our universe so powerful that it could literally rip apart the fabric of reality itself? /N, we're talking about dark energy, the mysterious force that makes up about 68% of our universe, and is pushing everything apart at an accelerating rate. /N, but scientists have discovered something horrifying about this cosmic accelerator. /N, it's not just expanding our universe. It could be preparing to tear it to shreds in the most violent ending imaginable. /N, welcome to the Big Rip. /N for centuries. We thought the universe would either freeze to death in the Big Freeze or collapse back on itself in the Big Crunch. /N, but recent observations have revealed a third, much more terrifying possibility. /N, dark energy isn't just constant, it might be getting stronger over time. /N, and if it reaches a critical threshold, it will overpower every force that holds our universe together. /N, here's how the nightmare unfolds. /N first. Galaxies would be torn apart as dark energy overcomes gravity's pull. /N, then star systems would be ripped from their galaxies. /N, planets would be torn from their stars. /N, but the real horror show begins when dark energy becomes stronger than the forces holding atoms together. /N, electrons would be ripped from their atomic nuclei. /N, protons and neutrons would be torn apart. /N, even quarks, the fundamental building blocks of matter, would be separated. /N, the universe would become a soup of disconnected particles flying apart at speeds faster than light. /N, what makes this scenario particularly chilling is the timeline. /N, about 60 million years before the end. Galaxy clusters would separate. /N, 3 months before doomsday, our solar system would be torn apart. /N, in the final 30 minutes, Earth would be ripped to shreds. /N, in the last terrifying moments, atoms themselves would disintegrate. /N, the scariest part, we can't see this coming until it's too late because the expansion would eventually move other galaxies beyond our observable horizon. /N, current measurements of dark energy's equation of state parameter, called W, suggest it might be less than -1, which is the condition needed for the Big Rip to occur. /N, while there's still uncertainty, the possibility is very real. /N, this isn't just theoretical physics. It's a potential future that could fundamentally change how we understand the nature of reality. /N, the Big Rip challenges our most basic assumptions about the permanence of matter and the stability of physical laws. /N, some physicists even speculate that if the Big Rip occurs, it could create new universes from the debris, starting the cosmic cycle all over again. /N, but for now, the evidence continues to mount that dark energy is the dominant force shaping our cosmic destiny. And we're just beginning to understand its terrifying potential. Which cosmic ending do you think is most likely? The Big Freeze, Big Crunch, or Big Rip? Drop your prediction in the comments and follow for more mind-bending science.